Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into an exciting topic that's making waves in the world of artificial intelligence, AI TRiSM. Never heard of it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. AI TRiSM stands for AI Trust, Risk, and Security Management. It's all about ensuring that AI systems are trustworthy, safe, and secure. Sounds important, right? Well, let's break it down into the 5 key pillars that make up AI TRiSM. First up, we have think of this as the rulebook for AI. Governance ensures that AI systems follow ethical guidelines and comply with regulations. It's about making sure that AI decisions are transparent and accountable. Imagine having a clear set of rules that everyone must follow to keep things fair and just. Next, we have with great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. Risk management involves identifying potential risks and mitigating them before they become serious issues. This could be anything from data breaches to biased algorithms. The goal is to build AI systems that are robust and resilient. The third pillar is, in our connected world, security is paramount. AI security focuses on protecting AI systems from cyber threats and attacks. This means implementing strong security measures to safeguard sensitive data and ensure the integrity of AI operations. Think of it as having a high-tech security system for your AI. Moving on, we have data privacy is a huge concern in the digital age. AI systems often handle large amounts of personal data, and it's crucial to protect this information. Privacy ensures that AI respects user data, maintaining confidentiality and preventing unauthorized access. It's like having a lock and key for your information. Last but not least, we have this is the moral compass guiding AI development and deployment. Ethical AI means creating systems that make fair and unbiased decisions, respecting human rights and values. It's about building AI that benefits everyone without causing harm. Imagine AI that not only works efficiently, but also aligns with our core principles. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of AI TRiSM: governance, risk management, security, privacy, and ethics. Together, they ensure that AI systems are trustworthy, safe, and secure. As AI continues to evolve, these pillars will be essential in shaping a future where AI serves humanity responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Stay curious and keep exploring. Catch you in the next one.